Famously called Asia's largest slum, Dharavi has become the area which yields high number of corona-positive patients. Since the outbreak of the dreaded virus, both police and the BMC have been grappling with the issue of tackling the most problematic area in the city. Here we are in Dharavi and we shall see how the lives of the people have been affected by this pandemic. As you can see, the people still standing in groups moving around the area without the fear of any virus. As we enter the narrow lanes of the area and take you inside a house which you can see has 5 to 6 people crammed inside. We can surely understand that social distancing is a privilege which cannot be enjoyed by such people.
यासीन मोहम्मद यासीन
यासीन जी, आपके घर में कितने लोग हैं?
4 बच्चे और हम लोग 2।
तो एक बात बताइए, 5 लोग एक छोटे से घर में आप किस तरह अभी ये जो बोल रहे हैं कि दूर रहो, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग फॉलो करो, प्रिकॉशंस लो, तो क्या आप ले पा रहे हैं, नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, क्या दिक्कतें आ रही हैं?
कुछ भी नहीं, जैसा भी है ठीक है मैडम, क्या करेंगे, जैसा भी है ठीक है घर के हिसाब से।
तो घर में आप मतलब अवेयरनेस है क्या? लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे बताने के लिए कि क्या हालात है, क्या माहौल है, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए?
नहीं ऐसा क्या, कुछ नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, नीचे ऊपर है, दोनों ले रहे, ऐसा टेंशन नहीं।
आप बाहर आते जाते हैं?
बाहर बोले तो गली में, बाहर कहाँ जाएंगे?
बाहर रोड पे सामान लेने के लिए?
हाँ, सुबह में जाते हैं।
तो मास्क वगैरह लगा के जाते हैं? और क्या क्या दिक्कत परेशानी आ रही है आपको इस टाइम में?
परेशानियाँ क्या, सब परेशानी ही तो है, अगर बंद है तो सब परेशानी है, इसके अंदर क्या अच्छा है, सब परेशानी तो है।
Dharavi has an area of just over 2.1 square kilometers and a population of about 7 lakh people. With this kind of population, Dharavi is one of the most densely populated areas in the world. Now, screening of this area is a huge task and it is also a race against time for the health officers. BMC has till now appointed a team of 150 doctors led by Dr. Anil Pachnekar, head of Indian Medical Association in Maharashtra.
Yeah, first of all, I am Dr. Anil Pachnekar, National Vice President of the Indian Medical Association, but I am working in Dharavi with my Mahim Dharavi Medical Practitioner Association from last 35 years. And the thing is that when the corona started in the Dharavi, all were have fear, there were the difficulties to getting the equipments like personal protection equipments and all. But we kept it in our mind that we are the player who is going to make the change in these situations. So Mr. Rahul Shewale, our Member of Parliament, has approached us. The Kiran Digavkar, the G North Officer of the Medical Ward Officer, has approached us. And then we, all private practitioners, get along with them and we form the door-to-door Dharavi screening of the people so that we wanted to eradicate the coronavirus from the Dharavi. The thing is that the idea behind getting into private practitioners for the screening is that we are working over there from the last 30 to 35 years. So people are having more faith on us than on the BMC or on the government, so that they will come approach direct doctor without any fear, and they will let us know that who has a travel history, who has a contact history, and who is having cough, cold, fever and all. So it will be very easy to trace that who is suffering, to whom we should keep in quarantine and to whom we should keep into the isolation.
One more challenge which the officials are facing is the lack of awareness among the people. Most of the residents even don't know the use of a sanitizer, forget carrying one around. No matter how strong the lockdown is in this part, the residents have to move out for basic needs such as toilet. Even if the people are provided with food and groceries, they still have to move out for toilet facilities. Due to the lack of private toilets, dependency on community toilets increases, and it is not possible for the authorities to disinfect the public toilets after each single use. Risk of infection increases even after the single usage or one-time usage of these toilets. It is but natural that the crowd gathers at public toilets many times during the day.
See, Dharavi basically, as we all are aware, it's Asia's densest slum or largest slum as of now. So in hardly 2.5 square kilometer area, or maybe 520 acres area, you find almost 8.5 lakh people around in Dharavi. So looking at the means density, you will find in a 10 feet by 15 feet house, you will find 10 people sleeping at in one room, and all small scale industries are there in Dharavi. So in such situation, to ask them to practice social distancing is like next to impossible task to do. The only option remains with us is to find out the high risk contacts or the suspected people, and then separate them out or isolate them so that the spread shall be limited. The first case when came on 1st April in Dharavi, so we were aware that it might spread like anything because it's so densest slum and you cannot ask everybody to practice social distancing. And even one more challenge in practicing social distancing here is all people use community toilet in Dharavi. There is no personal toilets or private toilets in home. They all have small slums, and they use common toilets for that. So there is a chances when you can ask them to sit at home, but you have to they will use the toilet, and there are chances of getting infected there. So what we did is with initial few cases, we find out the high risk area and limit the spread in that area only. So what we did is there are 5 major high risk zone in Dharavi. Like Muslim Nagar, Mukund Nagar, Madina Nagar, Social Nagar, and Kalyanwadi. So these are the 5 important zones which covers almost 1.5 lakh population out of this 8 lakh population of Dharavi. So what we did is we sealed the entire areas, and we started providing all services inside the area. Means no need, people should not come outside the.
In this fight against coronavirus, the most basic facility needed is a place for quarantine. The BMC has acquired a 50-bedded Sai hospital in the area, but it is just not enough as the number of infected has crossed 168. The hospital is being used to isolate high-risk contacts. 2 more COVID care centers have been set up with the capacity of 1,000 beds each for institutional quarantine. Restricting the spread of infection only to the high-risk pockets is also a major challenge in this area. Be it the underworld, mafia or Bollywood, Dharavi has always been the center of attraction, and we hope that in coming days, this part of the city will rise to the challenge and see a better future.